Okay, sorry, that last video cut off. So, yeah, so Nux sits on top of Vue, and again, it just makes Vue easier, more streamlined. It's going to do a lot of the setup and everything for us. The other cool thing about Nux is that it's going to be able to deploy to a variety of different mediums. So even though we're going to be using JavaScript, HTML, and CSS, which is a web-based languages and web-based technology, typically traditionally intended to run in the browser, through Node.js, which is going to be covered in the next chapter. Through Node.js and then Nuxt.js, we'll be able to actually deploy our applications out to a mobile app if we want, and it will run natively on the mobile phone. It's not a hybrid app or anything like that. It will actually run natively on the phone. Our application actually gets converted into Android Studio, if that interests you. And then you can also deploy it as a desktop application. So we can build an application using Nux and deploy that out to be installed on desktop computers instead of running through the browser. So it's not limited to just web. And that's one of the cool things about using a framework like Nux. Yeah, so that's pretty much it for this chapter, or for the introduction.